Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix server unreachable error. On Android, this error appears when your device cannot connect to a server due to network issue, incorrect setting, or server downtime. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, restart your phone to refresh the network connection. If the issue is in a specific app, clear the app cache by going to Settings. Also check the date and time by going to Settings on your phone, go to System, and go to Date and Time and enable Automatic Date and Time. If the server is down temporarily, wait and try again later. If the problem persists, reset network settings by going to System Reset option and go to Reset Wi-Fi and go to Mobile and Bluetooth. And that's it. We just learned how to fix server unresponsive error by checking network connection, clearing app cache, and resetting network settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.